My main reason for choosing James Cook University in Singapore was its reputation as a high-quality Australian university, coupled with Singapore's reputation as an education hub for Asia. I am confident that my MBA from James Cook University will stand me in good stead for the future.
Hello everyone, my name is Din. I come from China, Hebei province. I'm taking ELPP program. I think ELPP helps me a lot. When I first came here, I was in ELPP level 1. My English teacher led me to enter an English environment step by step. I can learn the basic grammar and begin to communicate with English. In level 2 and level 3, my English teacher will practice your English ability through writing, listening, speaking, and reading. Teachers will find your weakness about English and teach you how to modify and improve it very patiently.
Hi, my name is Quang from Vietnam.
Hi, I'm Van. I'm from Vietnam too.
Here we are studying the foundation program at James Cook University Singapore campus. This course offers me a wide range of subjects which assists me continue taking the degree course effectively in the future.
Yeah, that's right. And I also have a lot of fun here. I got a lot of new friends. And this program also provides a very good base for me to go on to my degree. I'm very happy to be here.
Yeah, and the opportunity to progress to a Bachelor of IT is also appealing.
Yeah, and for my Bachelor of Business also. Hẹn gặp lại các bạn tại TCU.
Hello, my name is Su Cheng. I come from China. Why I choose to study at Singapore campus of James Cook University because it provides world-class education facilities, and I really like Singapore. It's a great environment for people to study and live. 欢迎你们来到詹姆斯库克大学新加坡校区学习。
Hi, my name is Dina. I'm from Denmark. I'm currently living in Singapore. I've been here for 2 years. I really enjoy the multicultural environment here in Singapore. I've chosen to do my studies here at James Cook University. I'm studying a Bachelor of Business, majoring in International Business and Entrepreneurship. I really enjoy the many cultures we experience here on campus, as well as the quality of the lecturers. I'm hoping that after I graduate, I'll be able to transfer to Australia and do my career there. And with this Australian certificate that James Cook University actually offers, that should definitely be a possibility. Jeg håber at se dig snart her på James Cook University. And in English, I hope to see you soon here at James Cook University.
Hi, I'm Jacinta from Singapore. I'm in my honours here in the Bachelor of Psychology program. The reason why I chose this course because it's accredited by the Australian Psychology Accreditation Council. As an honours year student, I get to plan and see through the research by myself and with the help of a supervisor. My future plan is to do a Masters or Doctorate program, and I'm glad that this course can bring me there because it's accredited. So I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.
Namaste, my name is Rahul Bhatt. I'm 24 years of age and I come from the garden city of India, Bangalore. Well, here in James Cook University, Australia, Singapore campus, I'm pursuing my joint masters in IT e-business as well as MBA. Well, the reason I opted for this course was because it was like a joint program which involved both modules of IT as well as business. Since I was always an IT student, I thought why not like diverge myself into business. Which is the key in today's business scenario. Well, my future prospects, I think it looks very bright because I can opt for either an IT-based like position or a business-based position. But in the future, I would probably like to start my own organization. So that's why I guess I'm doing this joint program. Well, that's all about there is to me. Hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.
My name is Grace and I'm from the UK. I'm currently the Careers Service Manager at James Cook University, Singapore. I decided to take the Masters in Guidance and Counselling here at JCU Singapore because I wanted a course that provided a breadth of syllabus to allow me to continue to practice in guidance or to branch out and to become a counsellor in the future. Also, I needed to provide myself with sound theoretical knowledge so that my clients feel confident in my abilities and that I feel confident to practice. The international accreditation is important because it means that in the future, if I want to work overseas, I have the opportunity to do that. And the part-time nature of the course means that I can work and study at the same time.
Hi guys, I'm Clayton Don Koda from India. I joined James Cook University in 2008 and graduated in 2009. And now currently I'm working for an IT and staffing solutions company in Singapore. Well, it has been a really good experience back here in James Cook University. A lot of fun-filled moments in terms of activities and academics. And though I'm not in the university anymore, but I'm still helping and a part of the football team. I hopefully see each one of you from India. I would just like to say, काश मैं आपको यहाँ देख सकता हूँ.
Hello, my name is Xu Ding and I'm from China. I graduated from James Cook University Bachelor of IT program in 2008. I got my first job because my supervisor was very impressed by my final year project which I did in JCU. So I worked there for 1.5 years and had my PR. Then I established my own joint venture IT company. Then I think everybody should keep on pursuing his own dream and don't give up. Good luck.
I chose the Singapore campus of James Cook University because it offers a comprehensive MBA program that allows me to complete the course within a year. When I first visited the campus, I was very happy with the campus' professional and warm environment. This gave me a certain level of comfort and assurance that other universities did not provide.
The new campus has certainly been a much better environment for study both visually and practically. It has become more vibrant and much livelier. Moreover, with the new campus, it made me feel that I belong to the university. With this new campus, I can say that the campus has become my second home.
I feel that the new campus is well furnished, providing students with a comfortable and conducive environment to concentrate on their studies. The facilities are great and very well maintained. The club and societies managed by the students provide activities and events to facilitate active student participation and interaction.
I completed my undergraduate program at the Singapore campus and now I'm doing my master program. My overall experience has been great. I have learned a lot about different cultures and made a lot of friends here. James Cook University has shaped me into a more mature person.
Hi everybody, my name is So. You guys can call me Boris. I'm actually from Myanmar. Now I'm currently studying in JCU for the Tourism Management and International Business. I'm doing double majors. Now I'm currently in the last semester.
My name is Wang. I'm from Vietnam. I have been in Singapore for more than 5 years. I did my bachelor degree at James Cook University and I got a job in Singapore, become a PR, and now I'm going back to James Cook University to do an MBA again. With better environment, I can meet real people, I can meet people from different parts of the world.
As a last semester student in JCU offer the career services, it helps you out a lot. It will help you to do the training for the interview skill. It will help you to find a job, how to find a job, writing the cover letter, resume and all these. It will help you out a lot. And because of that, I'm ready to enter the real environment and real business world. I hope